Attorney General Jeff Sessions has been getting plenty of flack recently. Many Trump supporters don't believe he's doing a good enough job prosecuting major crime, but there seems to be more going on behind the scenes that we don't know about. Word has come out that Jeff Sessions is taking on the big one had just made a shocking call, and Hillary Clinton's days of freedom could be numbered. Attorney General Jeff Sessions left just made the call concerning Hillary Clinton, right? Photo credit, Spencer Platt, Getty Image News. Getty Images, Gage Skidmore, Flickr. The Department of Justice has suffered in recent years. Under former President Barack Obama, the agency seemed more like a criminal enterprise. Obama used the DOJ to shake down corporations, taking their money to fund radical, liberal group. Obama's Department of Justice created a slush fund to further progressive cause instead of fighting crime. When President Donald Trump took office, he appointed Senator Jeff Sessions to lead the embattled DOJ. Sessions has a reputation for being a strong, no-nonsense kind of guy. Throughout his career, his foot against corruption and wrongdoing. It wasn't a huge surprise that he would be made Attorney General. Yet, some conservatives have been frustrated at the slow pace of the DOJ. They were hoping for major prosecutions early in the year. But, perhaps their patience is being rewarded. News broke that Jeff Sessions has ordered the DOJ to reopen one of Hillary Clinton's most scandalous cases. After a long wait, justice might finally be served. On the orders of Attorney General Jeff Sessions, Justice Department prosecutors have begun asking FBI agents to explain the evidence they found in an outdoor criminal investigation into a controversial uranium deal that critics have linked to Bill and Hillary Clinton, multiple law enforcement officials told NBC News. The interview with FBI agents are part of the Justice Department's effort to fulfill a promise an Assistant Attorney General made to Congress last month to examine whether a special counsel was warranted to look into what has become known as the Uranium One deal, a senior Justice Department official said. At issue is a 2010 transaction in which the Obama administration allows the sale of U.S. uranium mining facilities to Russia's State Atomic Energy Company. Hillary Clinton was Secretary of State at the time, and the State Department was one of 9 agencies that agreed to approve the deal after finding no threat to U.S. national security. Source: NBC News. Millions of Americans grateful over the deal that sold a portion of U.S. uranium to Russia. Word has come out that during the deal, Russian agents were exposed by the FBI. They were allegedly involved in bribing U.S. officials. Yet, the Obama administration forced the FBI to keep their case silent so that Congress would approve the deal. Sound fishy? That's because it was. In 2015, we learned that the Clinton made out like bandits thanks to Russian cash. As the Russians gradually assumed control of Uranium One in 3 separate transactions from 2009 to 2013. Canadian Record show a flow of cash made on its way to the Clinton Foundation. Uranium One's chairman used his family foundation to make 4 donations totaling $2,35 million. Those contributions were not publicly disclosed by the Clinton, despite an agreement Mrs. Clinton had struck with the Obama White House to publicly identify all donors. Other people with ties to the company made donations as well. And shortly after the Russians announced their intention to acquire a majority stake in Uranium One, Mr. Clinton received $500 for a Moscow speech from a Russian investment bank with links to the Kremlin that was promoting Uranium One stock. Source: New York Times. Let's look at this again, shall we? Russia was trying to buy Uranium One. Obama's administration was working with Congress to approve it. At the same time, I pressured the FBI to sit on a Russian bribery case. Hillary Clinton, the Secretary of the State, was championing the Russian sale. Oh, and we know that she and her husband got millions from Russian investors buying uranium one. Hello? Am I the only person that says the connection? No, I'm not. Americans have been clamoring for a proper investigation for a long time, and rightfully so. There is obvious evidence to suggest the former SOS a woman who almost became president was being bribed by Russia to push this deal. Trump even promised to prosecute the woman during the election. More and more details have emerged that suggest a real Russia-US conspiracy. Yet, only now does it look like something's happening. And imagine, for months the media has tried to convince us that Trump was working with Russia. We've had to endure a bogus, special investigation that is little more than a witch hunt against the president. Meanwhile, Hillary Clinton got off scot-free. I don't think so. In recent weeks, FBI agents who investigated the case have been asked by Justice Department prosecutor to describe the results of their probe. The agents also have been asked if there was any improper effort to squash a prosecution, the law enforcement source say. The senior Justice Department official said the questions were par of an effort by the session team to get up to speed on the controversial case, in the face of allegations from congressional Republicans that it was mishandled. Source: NBC News. Perhaps now, real investigator, not biased supporter of Hillary Clinton, can get to the truth. Corruption and wrongdoing will be exposed. All he can say is, lock her up. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking one of the buttons below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News. Barack Obama, Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton, Jeff Sessions.